Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this one tutorial, we'll be trying to see how to add a very nice feature to your CLI. Right, so the feature we're trying to add is did you mean. So what do I mean by did you mean? So for example, let's say you are working with Git, right? This particular feature. So let's say you just want to make a pull request. So just go with click Git pull, right? And you forget to spell this word. So if you go with this, it's going to give you the option. So the most similar commands are pull and push, right? So you want to add this particular feature to your CLI using click. So to work with this, you just have to install this particular package. Pip rather install did click did you mean, right? So that's the particular package. So when you install this particular package, it gives you the option of adding this feature to your click CLI. So let's see how to work with it. So I'm just going to create our file. So let's save this file here. I've already installed it, so let's move on. So let's call it as a custom git, right, .py. That's a function that you are, or the CLI you are creating. Okay, so let's work with it. So I'm just going to import click. So import click. Then the next thing we're going to do is that you're just going to create a simple click stuff. So it's going to be click.group. Okay, right. Then just going to create our main function. Get main. Then just going to pass. Then so that is the first group. We are going to be grouping everything under this. So let's create our first decorator function. So let's call it as main.command, and then we move on to create our first function called status. So we passing nothing there, right? So this is going to be the status. I'm going to repeat it for the remaining functions. So we have status, we have start, we have, let's say we have different functions, right? So we have status, we have something like start, then we have something like stop. It's our own custom that we are doing. And another thing, like let's say you have pull, and then finally push, right? Okay, so perfect. So we are done with this. Now let's end it with our if main. It's going to be if underscore. Yeah, perfect. So that's what you're trying to do. So instead of pass, we're going to call it as no. Okay, so we have built a simple CLI, right? So let's see whether this CLI is going to work. So I'm just going to clear this, and then let's go with python custom CLI. Perfect. So we have our commands pull, push, start, status, stop, right? So how do we add the did you mean option to it? So right now, if I go with something like, let's say pull, let me intentionally make a mistake. Pulls is going to tell us that it's not no such command pulls, right? But we want to add the did you mean feature to it. So how do we do that? So just go straight away and then import the one that we downloaded. So from click did you mean, then we're going to import our did you mean group. That is all we need to do, right? And then we're going to pass this did you mean group. There are two options, but the simplest is did you mean inside the CLS, then did you mean group, right? This is all that you're going to pass. So with this, you can be able to, it's going to add the feature automatically to your CLI. That's all. We're just going to import did you mean group from click did you mean. Then let's see how it's going to be. So let's go back to help. Everything is working. Now let's go with pull. Let's see whether it's going to work. So let's go to pulls. See that did you mean, right? It was able to give you the option. It's able to look through our CLI and find the most similar. So we have pull and push because they are the most similar. So if I change it to something else, like instead of pull, let's go with STS, right? Go to search the ones with STS. So did you mean status, stop, start? So it's using the words there to match them based on the script. Very interesting. So in case you want to reduce these particular suggestions, instead of 3, you want to make it only 1 or 2, then just come to the CLI here. Then just going to go with your max suggestions. Right, then you supply the number of suggestions that you want to make. So maximum suggestions, I want to make, let's say, only 2 suggestions. or let's say only one. So if I go with only one and I run it again, let's do the same stuff. It's going to give us only one, right? Did you mean status, right? So that is how to add this particular feature, did you mean, inside your CLI. It's a very, very simple stuff. All you have to do is just download the package, did you mean, then import it from here, right? Then add it to your CLS here. You can set the suggestions. That is all you have to do. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In case you have any question or contribution, you can just put it inside the comment section so that everybody can benefit. And please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.